Okay, so today we're going to check out how much time does it take realistically to use the screener and find out a good trading opportunity using speed breaker trading method. Okay, for this purpose, I'm using the volume shocker. As I've mentioned before, because of volatile markets, I've recommended the volume shocker, not the ADX screen, although the system would be exactly same if you're using ADX screen during trending markets. Okay, so I'm going to start my stopwatch and we're going to use only one screener and one trading pattern, and to see how you can make this as your part-time source of income and how much time realistically is it required. Okay, so let's begin. I'm starting my stopwatch here. Let's go. Now going back to blank screen, let me start my volume shocker screener. Here we are. We have a couple of stocks. One is Indian Bank. Let's quickly check that. I've put a 4-month daily chart. This looks promising, but this is not a speed breaker. So I'll keep this aside. Then we have Motilal Oswal Financial Services. Beautiful breakout, but again, I don't see a speed breaker here. So I'm going to cross this out. Natco Pharma looks good. Again, a very nice breakout over here. Could be a potential winner. Let's see here and here. We can see some kind of pattern, but I see a bigger pattern forming. So I'm going to keep this on the back burner for now. And Poly Medicure finally. Okay. Now you see this stock has pretty much everything that we need. A strong uptrend, a sideways movement, and I think this can be a good trading opportunity. So I'm going to mark it over here and here. You see the sideways movement. You can see the volume has been pretty high. Let me zoom into maybe a 2-month position because this is a shorter term pattern. Yeah, nice. You can see how volume was dead and came up. So let's quickly measure from this point to this point. Its level is 820 and high point is about 1080, and you can see low point was somewhere at 960. Let's calculate. The buying will happen at, of course, 1080 plus. Okay, so the movement has happened from 820 to 1080. So it would be 1080 minus 820, approximately 260. And our target would be 260 plus 1080 because that is where the breakout has happened. So we get a target of 1340. Now where do I put my stop loss? Okay, in this pattern there's the lowest point 960, but because this is a smaller stock, and I've mentioned this before as well, slightly lower stop loss is always recommended because sometimes big players might try to act nasty. So around 920 919 could be a good stop loss for this particular stock. 919. Okay, even below that is fine because you can see that this is a strong momentum. You can see EMA is working out nicely. Okay, so that is it. I'm going to save this on the chart itself, and tomorrow when the market opens, I'm going to trade. Let me now stop my stopwatch and see how much time it took. That's it. 3 minutes 54 seconds when we already had a good stock, and we are done through almost all the stocks in today's screen. Of course, we can do this for ADX screen. Sometimes there are more stocks, sometimes there are less stocks, but about 5 to 10 minutes to maximum 15 minutes are required to find stocks for trading on a daily basis. Okay. Now you can add 1 more minute tomorrow when the market, sorry, on Monday when the market opens. I will place the trade and we'll add that to this total amount of research time as well. Okay. So I hope this helps.